Again, some more examples on trigonometric functions. First example, if alpha beta are the roots of the equation x square plus 5 modulus x minus 6 is equal to 0, then the value of tan inverse alpha minus tan inverse beta is dash dash. MHT CET 2017 which are the question. Now the roots of these two, I write modulus x square means again say modulus x square, no doubt, plus 5 mod x minus 6 is equal to 0. That is, we want multiplication minus 6, addition 5, that is 6 and minus 1, modulus x square plus 6 modulus x minus modulus x minus 6 is equal to 0. That is, these two, modulus x plus 6 as a 1 into modulus x minus 1. These are the two factors. Therefore, modulus x is equal to minus 6 from first bracket or modulus x equal to 1. But value of modulus always positive. Therefore, minus 6 is not possible. This is cancelled. Therefore, modulus x equal to 1 means x equal to plus or minus 1. These are the roots. Therefore, alpha is equal to first root 1 and beta is equal to minus 1. 1 and minus 1 are the roots. Therefore, alpha is a 1, beta is a minus 1. We want value of this, that is modulus tan inverse alpha as a 1 minus tan inverse minus 1. So tan inverse 1, tan inverse of minus out. That is tan inverse 1, it is pi by 4, minus out, minus plus, again tan inverse 1. Tan inverse 1 again pi by 4 plus pi by 4. 45 plus 45, that is 90. Pi by 2, A option. Next example, sine of cot inverse x plus 1 is equal to cos of tan inverse x. Then x is equal to outside sine, therefore we make inside as a sine inverse. Outside cos, therefore we make inside as a cos inverse. Then cos and cos inverse x cancel. Outside sine, we make sine inverse x inside. What is given? Cot inverse means I make a triangle first. Triangle. What is given? Cot inverse x plus 1. Denominator of this is 1. What is the definition of cot inverse? That is adjacent side upon front side. Adjacent, for some angle this adjacent side is x plus 1 and front side is 1. Therefore, its hypotenuse is square root of this x plus 1 square and this. That is I write square root x plus 1 square plus 1 square. That is hypotenuse is x square plus 2x plus 1 and plus 1 plus 2, just this is hypotenuse. Now this is for this, I consider the triangle. What is given? Tan inverse, its denominator as a 1. Tan inverse, that is opposite side as a x, adjacent side as a 1. Therefore its hypotenuse is x square plus 1, square of this plus square of this and then square root. Now I write this cot inverse in terms of sine inverse. Now sine of sine inverse. For same angle, sine is opposite side upon hypotenuse. That is square root x square plus 2x plus 2 is equal to cos. Now I write this as a in terms of cos. I want cos inverse inside. For cos inverse, cos adjacent side upon hypotenuse, square root x square plus 1. Now this is cancel, sine inverse cancel, cos inverse cancel. Now these two remaining, I write directly now this remaining and this remaining. Squaring, I write 1 by x square plus 2x plus 2 and here again square x square plus 1. Transfer just x square plus 1, x square plus 2x plus 2. X square gets cancelled. 2x, these two transfer 1 minus 2 minus 1 and then 2x. Therefore, x equal to minus 1 by 2. X equal to minus 1 by 2. That is, option is D option. Next, the value of cos inverse cot pi by 2 plus cos inverse sin 2 pi by 3 is dash dash. Cot pi by 2 value it is 0. Therefore, cos inverse 0 plus cos inverse sin 2 pi by 3, that is sin pi minus pi by 3, its value is sin pi by 3 and sin 2 pi by 3 is equal to sin pi by 3. Sin pi by 3 it is root 3 by 2. Cos inverse 0, cos la 0 value, that is pi by 2. plus cos inverse by root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 that is pi by 6. 90 plus 30 that is 90 plus 30 120 that is it is cross 3 pi plus 5 4 pi by 6 that is 2 pi by 3 that is 120 2 pi by 3 A option. Next example, if 2 times tan inverse cos x is equal to tan inverse 2 cosec x, then sin x plus cos x is equal to dash dash. MST CET 2016 ला विचारलेला क्वेश्चन. Now we know that the formula 2 times tan inverse that is tan inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square. We can write tan inverse. RHS tan inverse, therefore we write in terms of again tan inverse, but there is 2, therefore we use this formula 2 times tan inverse. I write 2 times this as a suppose x there, therefore I write tan inverse 2x 2 cos x upon 1 minus x square, this as x means 1 minus cos square x is equal to tan inverse 2 cosec x 2 cosec x. Tan inverse cancel 2 cos x upon 1 minus cos square means sin square x, and here again this to cancel 2 by cosec 2 cosec 1 by sin that is sin x. 2x cancel 1 sin cancel, cos by sin it is cot x. RHS only 1 and cot x equal to 1 means x equal to pi by 4. 45 1 x equal to pi by 4. Put x equal to pi by 4 in this, sin pi by 4 1 by root 2 plus cos pi by 4 again 1 by root 2 1 by root 2 1 by root 2 2 by root 2 and then 2 by root 2 means just root 2. That is B option. B option. Next example, 4 sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi, then x equal to what? Now we know that sin inverse plus cos inverse always pi by 2, therefore I split this. Out of this 4 I write 3 sin inverse x as a 1 and sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi. This is just pi by 2, its value is pi by 2. Sin inverse x plus cos inverse x pi by 2. This transfer, therefore 3 sin inverse x is equal to pi minus pi by 2, it is pi by 2. Therefore sin inverse x is equal to pi by 6. Sin inverse x is equal to pi by 6. Now pi by 6 it is 1 by 2. Its value is 1 by 2. 1 by 2. B option. 1 by 2. Next example number 6. Sin inverse x plus sin inverse 2x is equal to pi by 3, then x is equal to I write this. Now trial error also we can find this by trial error. If x equal to 1 by 2, sin x equal to here 1 by 2, sin inverse 1 by 2 it is pi by 6, x equal to 1 by 2 to cancel 1, sin inverse 1 it is pi by 2, therefore pi by 2 plus pi by 6 not pi by 3, therefore 1 by 2 is not there. This is not the option. Next, second is 1 by root 2. Here x equal to 1 by root 2, then it is pi by 4. Here 1 by root 2, then 2 root 2, that is not possible. 2 root 2, that is value is above this, therefore this is also not possible, out of the box value. Next, and third one is root 3 by 2. If suppose here root 3 by 2, then sin inverse root 3 by 2 it is pi by 3. Here again root 3 by 2, root 3 that is above principal value branch, that is minus 1 to plus 1, out minus 1 to plus 1 च्या बाहेर जाते root 3, therefore again it is neglected, therefore answer is this A, root 3 upon 2 root 7. This is the answer. This is just by trial and error. Also we can solve this. Sin inverse 2x is equal to pi by 3 minus sin inverse x, then 2x is equal to here sin inverse transfer, then sin pi by 3 minus sin inverse x. Now formula sin A minus B, that is sin A minus B, sin A cos B, sin A cos B minus cos A sin b, sin inverse x, sin inverse x. Therefore I write cos sin inverse x, I write 2x as it is, 2x as it is. Then cos, I write sin inverse x in terms of cos. Sin pi by 3, it is root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2. Cos sin inverse, I write cos of sin inverse x, I write cos inverse of square root 1 minus x square. This is just relation. Minus cos pi by 3, cos pi by 3 it is 1 by 2, 1 by 2. And sin inverse x cancel, it is x. This is also cancel. Then what is remaining? 2x. This minus 1 by 2x, I write plus 1 by 2x is equal to root 3 by this root 3 by 2, and this cos inverse cancels, square root 1 minus x square. Now this is total 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5x by 2 is equal to root 3 by 2 square root 1 minus x square. 2 2 gets cancelled. Squaring 25x square, it is 3, and then 1 minus x square. Therefore 25x square, then 3 minus 3x square. Minus 3x square transfer, 28x square is equal to 3. Therefore x square is equal to 3 upon 28. Then x equal to root 3. X equal to just root 3, taking square root 3, and 28 7 4, that is 2 root 7, root 3 by 2 root 7. That is the option. आपण ट्रायल एररनी केला असंही आपल्याला सोडवता येईल. इज इक्वल टू रूट 3 अपॉन 2 रूट 7. Next example, tan inverse x by y minus tan inverse x minus y upon x plus y is equal to dash dash. Value of this. Here x by y, therefore I want to write this in terms of x by y. Therefore I take y common from this or divided by y. That is, I write tan inverse x by y as it is. Second I write minus tan inverse x by y minus 1 upon x by y plus 1 plus 1. That is I write tan inverse a minus b upon 1 plus ab. Therefore I write tan inverse x by y as it is minus tan inverse, this is x by y minus 1 upon 1 plus product 1 into x by y. Same I have written. Tan inverse x by y as it is. Now this is minus tan inverse a minus b upon 1 plus ab. Tan inverse separate. Tan inverse x by y minus tan inverse 1. Now this minus, therefore this cancel, minus minus plus, these two cancel, and this minus minus plus, it is tan inverse 1 only. Tan inverse 1, it is a pi by 4. Therefore a option, pi by 4. Next, if the angles of the triangle are in arithmetic progression, then a by c sin 2c plus c by a sin 2a is equal to dash dash. Angles are in arithmetic progression, therefore 2b is equal to a plus c. Therefore a plus b plus c is equal to pi. That is, I write 2b, a plus c as a 2b, therefore 3b is equal to 180 and b is equal to 60 degree. 60 degree. Now I am writing this is 2c, therefore sin 2 theta formula, a by c 2 times sin c cos c plus c by a sin 2 theta 2 sin a cos a is equal to, this is equality. Now I write sine rule. I write sin c is equal to ck, sin a is equal to ak, and sin d is equal to bk. That is by using sine rule. Therefore instead of this sin c, I write ck. That is 2a by c into ck cos c plus 2c upon a. Sin a means ak cos c. That is sine rule. C gets cancelled, a gets cancelled. That is, what is remaining? 2ak. That is 2ak cos c plus 2ck cos a. Now I take 2k as a out, 2k as a out inside, that is a cos c plus c cos a, that is a cos c plus c cos a आणि c मध्ये आहे, therefore by projection it is b, 2kb, and kb is equal to or bk is equal to again sin b, 2 sin b, and b is equal to 60, therefore 2 sin 60 root 3 by 2, 2 into root 3 by 2, it is just to cancel root 3, b option root 3. Example number 9. In triangle ABC, if b plus c by 11, c plus a upon 12 is equal to a plus b by 13, then cos c is equal to. Now these are all are equal, therefore I suppose this has a k. Therefore what we get, b plus c is equal to 11k, c plus a is equal to 12k, and a plus b is equal to 13k. We get this 13k. Now adding all we get b here b, c here c, a, that is 2 times a plus b plus c is equal to 11, 12 and 13, that is 36k. Therefore a plus b plus c is equal to 18k. Now b plus c is equal to what? B plus c is equal to 11k, b plus c is equal to 11k, therefore a is equal to 7k. We are at here, a is equal to 7k. Now c plus a is equal to 12, c and a 12, transfer b is equal to 6k. And last one, a plus b is equal to 13, a plus b is equal to 13, transfer c is equal to 5k. Now what we want? Cos c by using cosine rule. That is cos c is equal to angle c, therefore a square plus b square minus c square upon 2ab. Now substitute the values. I write a square 7k, that is 49k square, b square 36k square minus 25k square upon what? 2ab, a and b, 2 times ab, 7 6 42 into 2, 84k square. Therefore total is 49, 36 minus 25, 49 minus 25, 24 and 36, it is 60k square upon 84k square. K square gets cancelled, 12 5s are 60, 12 7s are 5 by 7. A option. Next example. In triangle ABC, if angle C is equal to 90 degree, then tan A plus tan B is equal to. What is given? Angle C is equal to 90 degree. Therefore here as a suppose C angle, therefore 90. Suppose here as a and here as a B. Then sides are, this is small b, small a, and this is small c. Therefore by Pythagoras, c square is equal to a square plus b square. And for this angle, tan b is equal to opposite b upon a, and tan a is equal to opposite a upon b. Just what is asked? Tan a plus tan b, addition of these two, b by b plus b by a, that is cross a square plus b square upon ab. A square plus b square, that is c square upon ab. That is C option. Next example. A general solution of sin cube x plus cos cube x plus sin x cos x is equal to 1 is dash dash. Now we solve this example by trial error when n is equal to 1. Then roots are, that is these are the also roots. When n is equal to 1, we get these are n is equal to 1 pi, then 2 pi, then again pi, then again 2 pi. That is when n is equal to 1, this becomes pi 2 pi pi 2 pi. For pi, sin pi it is 0, cos pi minus 1 cube minus 1 mil, sin pi 0 it is 0, sin 0 0, there sin pi is 0, therefore neglected. LHS minus 1, RHS 1, therefore pi is not the solution. Pi is not solution, therefore these two cancel, A cancel and C cancel. For n is equal to 1, these are the roots. Now I take n is equal to 0, next n is equal to 0, I get the solutions are, now B and D, from B n is equal to 0, I get pi by 2 and n is equal to 0, I get pi by 4. Now check which is the root, n is equal to 0, I get pi by 2. B or D answer in array, pi by 2. Now I put pi by 2 in this, sin pi by 2 1, 1 cube 1, cos pi by 2 0, 0, sin pi by 2 and cos pi by 2 0, therefore it is 1, 1 is equal to 1. Therefore B is the answer, B is the answer, B is the answer. Just we have to check by taking the particular values n is equal to 0 1. मे बी जनरल सोल्युशन कॅल्क्युलेट करताना ट्रायल एरर नि गेला तर बेस्ट मध्ये येऊन जाते, तर त्यासाठी आपल्याला टेबल आणि व्हॅल्यूज म्हणून लागतील.